Alright, so this tutorial is going to show you guys how to use the layer mask tool and quick select tool to create these levitation photos. So the first step in these levitation photos is you need your camera to be in the same place for two different photos. Your camera can't move and the environment behind it should be kind of concrete and still. It shouldn't be blowing in the wind, or you shouldn't have people behind you walking around, because you want your both images to have the exact same background. So for an example of this, I have a picture. So the tutorial I'm going to show you guys right now, I'm going to have my keyboard floating next to this computer. So for the two pictures, I placed my tripod right here. My tripod didn't move for this picture, and it didn't move for the second picture, which you'll just see in a second. So I'm going to open up both of those photos by going to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stacks. That's going to put both of our files on top of each other so that we don't have to do that. So go to Browse, you'll find those two images. Mine are going to be on my SD card, which isn't plugged in right now. And then I'm going to find my two images. So one's right here, the second one's right there. And then OK. Alright, so now I have my two images. The image I want on top is going to be the image that have the people in it. The image that's underneath is the blank part right behind it. So my next step is going to be creating a layer mask. To create a layer mask, I'm going to go down to the paper with the hole in it. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to my paintbrush tool. I'm going to make sure the top square right here, which is your foreground color, is in black. I'm going to hit OK. So since this is in the black setting, I can now start to erase. I'm going to zoom into the area that I'm going to start erasing so I can get all the details. I'm going to make this a lot harder for myself since the screen was on in my second picture and the screen was off in the first. I'm just going to go through, turn up opacity, get rid of Miss Lopez. And then I'm just going through and kind of cleaning up any mistakes that I had. There you go. I have my floating keyboard picture.